Good morning students, welcome back to the social class. In our previous class, you know very well, we were discussing about the water resources. So as we were discussing about the water resources, I hope in our last video we have discussed about the multi-purpose river valley projects. Okay, and we have discussed about the aims and objectives of the multi-purpose river valley projects. Okay, so as we have successfully completed the aims and objectives of the multi-purpose river valley projects, today we are going to discuss about the major multi-purpose river projects in our country. See, there are some of the important multi-purpose river valley projects which came into existence in our country. Okay, so it is not possible for us to discuss each and every multi-purpose river valley projects. What we are going to do means, we are going to select the important one and we are going to discuss about them only in detail. So here at present I have selected 8 multi-purpose projects, and in this module we are going to have a complete discussion about all the 8 multi-purpose projects in detail. First one is Damodar Valley project. Second one is Bakra Nangal project. Third one is Hirakud project. So next is Tungabhadra project. Next is Upper Krishna project. Next is the Kosi project. Next is the Rihanna Valley project. And finally Nagarjuna Sagar project. So here what we are going to discuss means, first Damodar Valley project. On which river this dam has been came into existence? Okay, and what are the use of this project? Okay, and on what basis it came into existence, and which are all the states have been invested in order to construct this dam? Okay, so that we are going to discuss in detail. Okay, so here it is very simple. I will read and I will explain each and everything. Listen carefully, and once you are also going to read now, it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, first we are going to discuss about the Damodar Valley project. Okay, this is the first multi-purpose river valley project of the country. See, this is the first major multi-purpose river valley project of our country. So in the examination, maybe this question arise for 1 mark. So name the first multi-purpose river valley of India. So then you have to write Damodar River Valley project. So this is the first major multi-purpose river valley project which came into existence in our country. Okay, it has been designed on the lines of Thames Valley Authority in USA. So in USA, how the Thames Valley has been designed, in the same way the Damodar Valley has been designed in our country. Okay, so actually the river Damodar is there. The river Damodar used to be known as Sorrow of Bengal. Do you know why it is going to be known as the Sorrow of Bengal? As we all know, every year it is going to create the floods in Bengal. So during the rainy season, many of the people, they used to lose their property, they used to lose their lives because of the floods which were created by the river Damodar. Okay, for that reason only this river used to be known as the Sorrow of Bengal. So in order to control the floods, what we need to do? We need to construct the dams across the river. Okay, see here, it was causing devastating floods during the rainy seasons and damaged crops and human settlements. So main aims of project are to control of floods, to provide irrigation, navigation, generation of hydroelectricity, afforestation, control of soil erosion, promotion of mining industries and inland fishing. See, these are the main aims why the Damodar River Valley came into existence. First one is to control the floods. Second one is to provide the irrigation facility to the surrounding areas. And next is to generate the hydroelectricity power and to develop inland waterways and even fishing. So keeping this all in the mind, no, the government what it done is first they constructed the dam over river Damodar. Okay, this project has been jointly undertaken by the government of Bihar and West Bengal. Now you see this project is there, no, single government, single state did not took place. So here, no, it is a joint venture of two states, that is the Bihar as well as the West Bengal. Okay, so the across the river Damodar and its tributary, this project comprises of 4 dams. Now you see, not only river Damodar and the tributaries of the river Damodar are there, no, tributaries in the sense small rivers which are going to join the river Damodar. On river Damodar also and its tributaries also 4 dams have been constructed. First one is at Tilaiya, Konar, Maitan and Panchet Hill, a barrage Durgapur and 3 thermal power stations at Bakaro, Durgapur and Chandrapur. Now you see, total 4 dams have been constructed, and at the same time the thermal power stations have been constructed. So totally what we are going to say means this Damodar river valley project is there, no, it is not only controlling the floods, apart from controlling the floods, it is providing water for irrigation. So it is providing water for generation of hydroelectricity power, it is helping for the inland waterway transport and fishing and many other things also. Okay, so this is the first important multi-purpose river valley project of our country. Next is the Bakra Nangal project. See, it is a joint venture of the states of Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. See here 3 states joined together and they constructed the dam. So it is the joint venture of 3 states, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, and they are only getting the benefit from that. That is also different. This project comprises of 2 dams at Bakra and Nangal across the river Satluj in Himachal Pradesh. Now you see, here we are going to see 2 dams. One is at Bakra, another one is at Nangal. So it has been constructed on the river Satluj in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, and 4 powerhouses, flood control, irrigation facilities, generation of hydroelectricity, prevention of soil erosion and promotion of afforestation are the other main objective of this project. So as you know very well, multi-purpose. So apart from controlling the floods, the other benefits are also going to be get from this project. So Bakra Dam is 226 meters high and it is the highest straight gravity dam in India. See, keep this in your mind. It is 226 meters height and it is the highest gravity dam in India, and the reservoir created by the dam is called Govinda Sagara. So the reservoir which has been created by this multi-purpose river valley, no, that is going to be known as Govinda Sagara. Okay, so next one is Hirakud project. It is the most important multi-purpose project of Orissa. See, this project comprises of the construction of 3 dams on river Mahanadi at Hirakud. See, here explanation is not that much required. If I am going to read simply, you are going to understand. So wherever it is possible, no, I am going to explain. Listen carefully. Tikrapur and Narash. It also has 2 hydel power stations. Hirakud is the longest dam in India. See, Hirakud, no, it is the longest dam in India. For 1 marks or multiple choice question, you need to keep this in your mind. The longest dam of our country is Hirakud. Okay, and next you see, the main aims of this project is again flood control, provision of irrigation facilities, generation of hydroelectricity. It also provides transport by inland waterways, fishing and afforestation. So these are the other benefits what we are going to get from this multi-purpose river valley project. Next is the Tungabhadra project. See, it is a joint venture of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. So it belongs to us because we are also from Karnataka. So it is a joint venture of Karnataka as well as the Andhra Pradesh. The main aims of the project are to provide irrigation, generation of hydel power and inland fisheries, and it comprises a dam and 3 hydel power stations. A dam has been constructed across the Tungabhadra, a tributary of Krishna, at Mallapuram near Hospeti in Ballari district of Karnataka, and the reservoir created by this dam is Pampasagara. So I hope many of you people might have visited that place also, Pampasagara. Nowadays it has become the tourist place also. So many of the people during the vacations they are going to visit that places. Next is the Upper Krishna project. See, it is a multi-purpose river valley project in North Karnataka, especially in our North Karnataka. And across river Krishna, it has been constructed again across the river Krishna. It comprises of 2 dams, namely Alimatti and Narayanapura, and a hydel power station. The main aims of this project is also providing irrigation, drinking water, generation of hydroelectricity. So the Almatti Dam in Bijapur or in Vijayapura, constructed near Almatti village in Basavana Bagewadi Taluk, and the Narayanpur Dam is located near Siddhapur village in Shorapur Taluk of Yadgiri district. So Bagalkot, Vijayapura, Kalaburgi, Yadagiri and parts of Belagavi districts get the benefit from this project. Okay, so some of the districts, parts of North Karnataka are going to get benefit from this Upper Krishna project. Okay, next is the Kosi project. I said to you in the beginning itself, this Kosi is also going to be known as Sorrow of Bihar, because it is also causing number of floods during the rainy season, and people are going to lose their life as well as the property. So as a result, it is going to be known as the Sorrow of Bihar. It is an international project and joint venture of India and Nepal. Now you see, it is not the national project, it is the international project, because the Nepal and India together invested the money in order to construct this project. A dam is built across river Kosi near Hanuman Nagar in Nepal. So in Nepal only the dam has been constructed, and the main objective of this project, again it is irrigation, flood control, hydel power, generation, fishing, and the project has been executed by India but benefited or shared by both by India and Nepal. So actually the project was there, it was plan was from us, we planned, but benefit both India as well as Nepal, both are sharing. Next is Rihanna Valley project. So this is the most important multi-purpose river valley project of Uttar Pradesh. Which one? Uttar Pradesh. So it is built across Rihanna river, a tributary of the river Sun. Flood control, prevention of soil erosion, inland fishing, provides irrigation and power generation are the main aims of this project, and the reservoir created by this dam is called Govinda Ballabha Pantasagara. Okay, so most of the multi-purpose river valley project, they are going to have the same benefits: irrigation, generation of hydroelectricity power, transport, fishing, like that only. So finally the Nagarjuna Sagara project, it is the last but not least. See, it is built across river Krishna near Nagarjuna Konda in Telangana. So irrigation and power generation are the main aims of this project. So it has been built at Nagarjuna Konda in over the Krishna river, and main aim of this multi-purpose river valley project is also again irrigation and power generation. Okay, so with this we are going to conclude the water resources. So by this we are going to complete the lesson water resources, and in coming classes and upcoming classes, we are about to start a new lesson. So I will tell you later which lesson I am going to start, but as a part of homework, today you just draw the outline map of India. Draw the outline map of India and locate all these multi-purpose projects in the map. Okay, so as a point of exam, it is very, very important for you to understand the location of these multi-purpose river valley projects in the India map. Okay. I hope till now whatever we have discussed now, it is understood to you. Okay, thank you.